Identifying a constant rate of change in a linear relationship from a graph. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the information from the graph and we're going to create a table. So you'll notice that at 0 hours after the storm, the temperature is 80 degrees. 5 hours after the storm, the temperature is 70 degrees. 10 hours after the storm, the temperature is 60 degrees. So now we need to determine what is the change in X and what is the change in Y. Then we're going to determine, is it a constant rate of change, and what is the equation that would go with it if it is a linear relationship. So to go from 80 to 70 is a negative 10 degrees. To go from 70 to 60 is also a negative 10 degrees. To go from 0 to 5 is a positive 5, and to go from 5 to 10 is also a positive 5. So we're going to determine what is our constant rate of change. So over here, they're all negative 10s, and over here, they're all positive 5s. So this is a linear relationship because the constant rates within the X values and the Y values are both the same. So to determine what is our constant rate of change now, we're going to do the change in Y over the change in X. So negative 10 over positive 5. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. That means that it is negative 2 times the X value. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in one of the X values and determine what do I need to do to that X value in order to get over to our Y value. So let's plug in a 0. If I do negative 2 times 0 and my goal is to get to 80, what am I going to have to add in order to get there? So negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus what is going to give us 80? So 80 minus 0 is still 80. So our equation is negative 2x plus 80 equals y. You can check this by plugging in the next one. So now we have negative 2 times 5 plus 80, and our answer should be 70. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 80 is 70. Now I'm going to plug in this 10 over here. So negative 2 times 10 plus 80, and our goal is to get the number 60. Negative 10 times 2 is 20. Negative 20 plus 80 is positive 60. So this works. It is a linear relationship. It creates a line. It is a constant rate of change of negative 2. And the equation that we're going to utilize is negative 2x plus 80 equals y.